Understand the basic concepts of Python. So in this lecture, let's understand the basic concepts of Python. Python is an interpreted language, which means you can run the program as soon as you make some changes to the file. So that makes fixing programs is much quicker than many other languages. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn, and you can have your basic program and running it in just few minutes like what we did in the previous lecture. Python is an interpreted language and it doesn't need to compile it like other object-oriented languages.